Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import your Goodreads book into StoryGraph step by step. First, open a web browser on your iPhone like Safari or Chrome. Go to the Goodreads website and log in. Next, tap on your profile picture, then tap the account setting. From there, tap Export Library. Goodreads will create a file for you. When it's ready, download the file. This file is called CSV file and it has all your reading data. Now go to a new tab and go to the StoryGraph website. Log in to your StoryGraph account. Once you are logged in, go to the import data in your account setting. Once you are logged in, go to the import data in your account setting. Choose the option to import from Goodreads. Tap choose file, then select the Goodreads CSV file you downloaded. After selecting the file, tap upload. StoryGraph will now start importing your data. This can take a few minutes depending on how many books you have. Once the import is finished, you will see your book reading and rating history in the StoryGraph. You will also get an email when everything is completed. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.